Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get blue mutation in Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Actually, blue mutation is not a new mutation in this update. But if you want to get this blue mutation, there is a path that can give you the blue mutation from the Easter update guys. And the path is Spring Bee. Okay, this one, as you can see, every 6 minutes, 15% chance for a nearby fruit to get the bloom mutation. So you need to have this spring bee if you want to get the bloom mutation. And to get the spring bee, you need to have the springtide egg. Okay, and it's not really hard to get the spring bee. You have 54% chance to hatch the spring bee, but it's kind of difficult to get the springtide egg. Okay, you can get the springtide egg by purchasing it from the Easter shop right here, or actually you can also join the egg war event, and if you're lucky you will get the springtide egg. And also the candy event, which is the new event from the Easter update part 3. Okay, this is the springtide egg. And this event can also give you the springtide egg. And yeah, just like that, we can get the bloom mutation with the spring bee. And the spring bee can give you the pollinated mutation as well, but the cooldown time is very long. You need to wait for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the blue mutation in Curry Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.